Xiaomi's foldable phones have always performed average in the Chinese market. Last year, due to the underwhelming sales of the Xiaomi Mix Fold 4, they even discontinued the entire Mix Fold series. As a result, the Mix Flip will be Xiaomi's only remaining foldable phone series this year. Compared to the first gen, the Mix Flip 2 doesn't bring many changes in appearance, but it upgrades the processor, slightly increased the battery capacity, as wireless charging. The camera setup has changed a little bit and it becomes flatter thanks to a new hinge design. With Oppo and Vivo also discontinuing their flip phone updates, the Flip 2 might just be the best flip phone of 2025. Based on last year's experience, the global launch will likely take another 2 months, so if you want to get hands on this phone early, check out the purchase link below the video. The box is very long. Lifting the lid reveals its charging accessories at the bottom, a 67-watt charger. The port is a USB-A port. Naturally, the charging cable is A to C. Additionally, a small compartment above the phone holds a white phone case, a SIM card pin, and a stack of manuals. If the first and second gen Mix Flip were in front of me side by side, I probably wouldn't be able to tell them apart. They share the same flat metal frame, dual circular camera setup, and a slightly larger than 4-inch external display with unchanged bezels. Apart from some new wallpapers, the external screen's functionality remains identical to the first gen. The outside speaker is still there, allowing you to take calls without unfolding the phone. This is a feature that was present on the Flip 1 and has been retained on the Flip 2. Aside from a few new color options, the exterior is nearly identical. So let me tell you what has changed next. First, the processor has been upgraded to the Snapdragon 8 Elite. This is a regular improvement with expected, but even though flip phones aren't ideal for gaming, the higher efficiency should deliver smoother and longer lasting performance. Then there's the larger battery. The Mix Flip 2 is currently the only flip phone with a battery exceeding 5,000 mAh. While regular smartphones are pushing towards 8,000 mAh, in the flip phone category, this is the biggest battery available. Plus, it now supports wireless charging, which was missing in the previous model. Xiaomi has tried to do its best. The second camera on the Flip 2 has also been changed from a 2x telephoto camera to an ultra-wide camera. Last year, many users were complaining about that the main camera didn't have a wide enough view when taking selfies with the rear camera. Now you can finally take selfies with the ultra-wide camera. The Mix Flip 2's final advantage is its crease control. After careful observation, I can confirm that its crease is noticeably shallower than the first gen, possibly the shallowest among current foldable phones. Xiaomi says a new hinge technology was used to achieve such a shallow crease. I think flip-style foldables need a minimal crease more than the book-style foldables because your fingers would always touch that area during daily use. My only concern is how deep the crease will become over time. If any Mix Flip 1 users are watching, let us know in the comment how your crease looks now. It might help potential Flip 2 buyers make a decision. I've made a table here and it's clear that the Flip 2 has quite a few upgrades. It's just that its unchanged exterior is misleading. If you can overlook the USB 2.0 limitation, this might just be the best flip phone on the market. The Mix Flip 2's price remains the same to its predecessor, likely because Xiaomi's redirected the cost savings from the unchanged design into functional upgrades. So, is it worth buying? Ask a question yourself first. Why do I want a flip phone? If you have a compelling reason, then the Mix Flip 2 is one of the best options available. Otherwise, I'd recommend checking out the Redmi K80 Ultra, which launched on the same day. It offers better value and performance. A review of the K80 Ultra and the K-Pad is coming soon, so stay tuned. Remember to subscribe to our channel. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.